In this demonstration, you'll see how a solution built with Microsoft Dynamics SL and Microsoft SharePoint Server 2010 can make it easier to store important business documents, share those documents with coworkers, and collaborate efficiently. Prakash is a project manager. His job is to work with customers to deliver products and solutions. In addition to his regular tasks, Prakash is continually receiving requests from inside his company, such as a request from his CEO for a project profitability report, and requests from team members who need access to project documents. These interruptions prevent him from being able to focus on his most important audience, customers. Prakash's company has just deployed Microsoft SharePoint Server 2010, and he's anxious to see if this can make his internal communication process more efficient. Prakash uses Microsoft Dynamics ERP business management software for the project accounting portion of his job. The Microsoft Office-like interface of this enterprise resource planning, or ERP solution, is familiar and easy for him to navigate. Prakash likes to stay informed about all of his projects. He can quickly access key project tasks such as time cards or invoices that are pending approval, and a quick list of his active projects. Prakash has set up a list of his favorite applications and tasks in Microsoft Dynamics ERP, including some Microsoft Office programs, as well as screens and reports that he uses frequently. The project maintenance screen is where he can update important project information across his projects. While this is useful to Prakash, he wants to have one secure location from which he can share all of his project information, without having to send it an email each time someone asks for it. Luckily, SharePoint Server 2010 provides just this type of functionality, and with Microsoft Dynamics ERP, Prakash can create a SharePoint site simply by clicking the Create SharePoint Site icon. Prakash can choose from a number of options for where the new SharePoint site should be located. In this case, he uses the default location that the IT department has set up. Once the site is created, Microsoft Dynamics ERP can automatically populate it with project documents such as invoices. To complete the creation of the new site, Prakash clicks OK. Now that the new site has been created, a new option appears at the top of the screen, providing one-click access to the site. Prakash can quickly jump to the site by clicking this link. The new SharePoint project site is now available for storing Microsoft Dynamics ERP information. It can also be used as a more general collaboration site for posting answers to common questions Prakash receives from his CEO and team members. Now that the SharePoint project site is set up, Prakash wants to use this as the default location for his Microsoft Dynamics ERP reports. He is often asked for the latest project profitability report, so he decides to make this available on the SharePoint site. In the past, Prakash had to distribute the report either through email or by printing and sending it through internal mail. But now he can save the report directly to the SharePoint site. A new printer option provides the ability to upload files to a SharePoint site. Prakash can also choose the format in which to save the report, including Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel file formats. To make the report easy for others to read, he chooses Word as the format. Prakash chooses a destination for the report by entering the new SharePoint site he just created. He decides that the Shared Documents library is the best location. Clicking the Upload button will now enable Prakash to send the report directly to the new SharePoint project site. The SharePoint project site provides secure access to the project profitability report. In addition to manually choosing reports to send to the site, other Microsoft Dynamics ERP tasks, like project invoicing, can be automatically configured to send files to the SharePoint project site. Prakash decides to send his invoice documents to the SharePoint project site, to a new folder called Flexible Billing Invoice. Here, you can see that the invoice has been created and stored as a Word document. Project team members often contact Prakash for non-ERP related information. Until now, most of the documents he and the teams have worked on have been stored in document libraries on individual personal computers, which made them hard to share and sometimes to locate. With Microsoft Office 2010, Prakash can save his documents to SharePoint Server, just as he saved his invoicing information. For instance, when a new statement of work is being developed for a project, it can be saved to a SharePoint site to make it available for sharing and collaborating. SharePoint Server makes it possible to work together on the statement of work and on other Microsoft Office documents. Now, the SharePoint project site contains the Microsoft Office 2010 documents Prakash and his team created. By using Microsoft Dynamics ERP and Microsoft Office 2010 programs together, Prakash is able to share information automatically so that he can work without interruption and spend more time focusing on customers' needs. Thanks for watching. For more information, please contact your Microsoft representative.